Well, last year I did a video on this pressure washer, and I had it out, changed the oil and stuff in it, and did the bottom side of the porch. I figure, you know, why not do another video? What the hell, right? I bought this thing in 2006. My intentions with it was to try to start a small business, but we all know that didn't work out, and I failed. Of course, I never really applied it either. I just word of mouth did friends' places and whatnot. I was drinking way too much, and got ill and everything else. But it's a Craftsman 7-horse Briggs & Stratton. The nozzles, I got all the nozzles for it. It's 3,000 psi at 2.3 gallons a minute. I can't believe I've had it all this long, and it still looks pretty good. But I mean, the muffler's hardly rusted. I just changed the oil in it. She looks full. Probably not much fuel in it, because about a half tank. So we can run it for a minute. Show you how this thing works. These guys, how these things work. Here's some more information, but that's just like the serial number and who to call and all that crap. The only thing I had to do to it, see if I can't get you a shot of the pump without having to flip the unit over or anything. But the only thing I had to do is brass and cast. But the only thing I had to do was replace the seals that were in it. When you'd hit the trigger, it'd fall out. And I think this one I got lucky on, because they replaced the pump on it. And of course they give you some crappy 50-foot of hose that comes with it, but this is this nice hose. You don't even, this is the kind of hose that they use at the car wash and stuff. These hoses that sell for like $50 a piece. And I bought 2 of them. And then I bought this industrial sized hose or whatever. And that ladder. Because I was going to start me a business. But that didn't work. And usually what you do is you do this for a minute, see if you get any air out. There shouldn't be much in there because I've already been using it. We checked the oil, checked the fuel. Probably won't even need any choke. This thing starts pretty easy, usually. So here's your throttle. your kill switch. So you just click it over here. And I put my foot on this bad boy and give her a couple pulls. And she's not wanting to today. Start to warm up. Bigger. Oh, there's air in it. There she goes. That's got some pressure to it. She warmed up a little bit. That's it. Alright. Thank you, YouTube. Thank you, everybody, for viewing. Another Craftsman 2 production. I don't know. Fuck. Ain't no Craftsman, nothing. But, because I don't want people to get confused. I mean, they call me the Craftsman not because I have stuff like this, but I do proudly represent. But they call me the Craftsman because of that right there. So, see ya.